These are my recent Schuco mini car purchase in 1:64 scale. I have been recently collecting Schuco. They are highly detailed with quality paint finishing and also quite sturdy. 3 casting in total. I will unbox them separately. And now let's take a closer look at the Mercedes Benz 300 SL. This 300 SL was voted as the sports car of the century in '99 with its signature Gull Wing store. Wow, I'm super impressed. I like the curve and it's highly detailed. I really like the paint finishing on the body. It's very classic. On the front is highly detailed, especially the Mercedes logo with all the chrome parts. Even for the wheel set, it rolls perfect. For the rear, it's highly accurate as well, with the plastic insert rear lights and also the embossed Mercedes-Benz logo. It's a shame that the Gull Wing doors doesn't open. I think either Schuco is trying to cut costs or not to compromise realism. I'm disappointed that the side mirror is also missing as well. How about pairing the Schuco with the Norev Mercedes Renntransporter, both in 1:64 scale. Although both in a different category and price point, with the Schuco having more details than the Norev, they complement each other perfectly and will definitely look great in diecast photography. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will pick the lucky subscriber in the beginning of 2020. So be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!